Sandwich lovers want to know how to make a classic Italian sandwich with tuna. I grew up eating these every time I visited my grandmother, Grace Burke. She was always cooking delicious meals and having the most amazing ingredients. We used a specific can of tuna from Italy, though it was difficult to get back then. I just did a search to see how others are making it these days and see that one recipe is close. Get ready for this ultimate Italian-style tuna sandwich without the mayo that will outshine even Emerald's recipe. Today we're taking this classic sandwich to a whole new level. First, we start with the star ingredient. Classically, we would use a premium Italian tuna like this. If you want authentic, I left a link in the description to buy it, though here I'm showing you how to make it with an ordinary can of premium tuna available nationally. The Italian can has a rich, flavorful taste that sets the sandwich apart. Trust me, you won't be able to resist it. Now, let's talk about the bread. Using a fresh Italian focaccia is essential. Its perfect texture, robust flavors, and sturdy structure ensure an incredible bite. To begin, I start with this can of chunk white tuna I bought from Costco. After draining it, I add it to a bowl with a dash of black pepper. Add 60 milliliters or quarter cup of fine extra virgin olive oil, 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of minced Italian parsley, 15 milliliters or a tablespoon of basil, 1.75 milliliters or a quarter teaspoon of oregano, and 2 each anchovies diced finely. Mix it gently to break it up while leaving the large chunks of tuna. Up next is 60 milliliters or a quarter cup of finely diced tomato, black olives, sweet onion, 6 artichoke hearts, and capers, and a squeeze of lemon. Turn the ingredients in the bowl while still being careful not to break up the tuna too much. Let this colorful blend of tuna rest for about 20 minutes or more to let the flavors come together. While that's resting, gather the tools and other ingredients for this delicious, crunchy Italian masterpiece. The focaccia is set up, mozzarella is shredded, and I add a slice of butter to the pan heating. You see I have 2 pans to achieve the press. One larger pan to grill the sandwich in, and another heavy pan to toast the opposite side and press the sandwich. Once the tuna has rested, add some mozzarella to the bottom focaccia. Add a mound of the tuna mixture and add it to the bottom pan. Now, the magic happens. We expertly press the sandwich. While I was preheating the large pan, we just put the Italian sandwich in. I was also slightly heating the smaller pan. I place it on top of the sandwich while it cooks in the larger pan. This pressing effect helps hold the heat against the bottom of the focaccia, creating a crunchy exterior and a warm tuna interior. After a few minutes, I add butter to the pan again, turn it over, and repeat the last process. Our ultimate press will give you that perfect, irresistible crunch. Trust me, it'll elevate the flavors and textures to new heights. We put this together easily, without mayonnaise, as promised. This is packed with oregano, fresh basil, black olives, artichoke, and lemon, enhancing the flavor of the tuna. The aromatic essence of the herbs will take the sandwich to the next level. Ah, the cheese. Mozzarella, the king of Italian cheeses, is our secret weapon. Its creamy goodness melts beautifully, creating a luscious harmony with the tuna. Once it's ready, take a moment to take in the beautifully golden brown crust. You won't be able to resist it. It's the ultimate Italian-style tuna sandwich, pressed to perfection. It's a taste sensation that will leave you craving more. Good luck, Emerald, because we've just taken your sandwich game to a whole new level. Thanks for watching this ultimate Italian tuna sandwich video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes, because new craveable recipes are released every Sunday. Let me know in the comments what other recipes you want to see me make. You never know how I'll perfect them. Then watch this recipe over here. It's one of my recipes that YouTube thinks is perfect for you. I appreciate the time you've taken to watch. I'm just going to keep on enjoying this delicious sandwich. Grazie.